In this short video, I'm going to show you how to increase the auto lock timeout on a Ledger Nano X device. So first, I'm going to enter my PIN. My PIN is very simple because it's a demo device. I hope yours is a little bit more complex. So now that I'm in, all I have to do is press and hold both buttons to get a hidden menu. Here we go. So I'm going to press both buttons to go in settings, press right to go to security, select security by pressing both buttons. Now go down to pin lock, select pin lock. The default is 2 minutes. We're going to change it to 10. So press both buttons. I'm going to do the same thing with Screensaver. So press both buttons to select it, go down by pressing the right button, select the 10 minutes, and that's it. It's done. All I have to do now is just go back. So both buttons and then close. Here we go. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them.